Good morning, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I hope you all are good and you are following the videos what I am posting. Today again I am back with mathematics of class 7, and today I am going to deal with the chapter ratio and proportion. A very interesting chapter, a very good chapter, and very simple chapter. Simple chapter in the sense to understand. First of all, we'll deal as I deal with the important key points of the chapter. I start with ratio and proportion. First of all, ratio we need to know. What is ratio? Fractions we know. Okay. Fractions, suppose P by Q. This is called fractions, right, students? So ratio is another part of the fraction, I would say. Only the representation is different. Like we will represent here P is to Q. P is to Q. What do we call this? Is to. So this is the representation of ratio. This is the way we represent the ratio. Now, if we represent ratio P is to Q, like in the fraction we call the upper part numerator and the lowest part denominator. In the ratio, what do we call? This is called antecedent. Antecedent is called, it is called consequent. These are the parts of the ratio. The first part is called antecedent and this is called consequent. No problem. Now we'll try to understand what is proportion. What do we call proportion and what is proportion? When two ratios we equate together, then it is called proportion. For example, if we write A is to B, this particular part is called proportion. It means we are relating this ratio along with another ratio. It means A is to B is proportional to C is to D. It means it is equal, or we are trying to make it equal. Understood, students? Ratio is the comparison of the same kind of value. Like if you are dividing distances, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, then you have to divide with another kilometers only. You cannot go for meter, you cannot go for centimeter. Same kind of value should be there. Same kind. Then only ratio is possible. And when we compare two ratios together, this is called proportion. This is the only basic for the chapter I would tell you. Now we'll try to focus on some of the questions of the exercises. Let's see that. Now students, we are going to understand, we are going to solve few questions of the exercise 6A of the Selena Publisher book. Okay, you are having the book, you can see the questions. What I feel the difficult or the trouble question for you, that I am going to solve. I am taking first question, second part and eighth part. Few more I will do. First of all, I am doing this. No units have been given. It means it is same only. Let's do it. 1.5 divided by 2.5. Right, students? Point removed. Many students don't remove that. I am not forcing you to do that. This is the convenient way, so I am doing this. So what you got? 15 by 25, right? Now you can cancel it. 5 3s are and 5 5s are. What you got? 3 by 5, which has to be represented in the ratio form 3 is to 5. Simplest form. Question is asking to convert the given ratio in simplest form. So I have done. We got the answer 3 is to 5. First class, no problem. Eighth part. You can see here I have written the question 6 months is to 1 by 3 years. Months and years. Different things are there. We cannot divide in this particular way. So we have to convert years into months, otherwise months into year, then only we can do this. First of all, write this: 6 months divided by 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 years. Okay, students? Months and years, different units are there. We cannot cancel it. First of all, we have to convert it. So, 6 months and 4 by 3. In a year, how many months are there? Students, 12 months. Everyone knows that. So, we'll have to multiply by 12 so that it will be converted into months. First class, no problem. 3 4s are 12. Cancelled. So, 6 by 16. Now, both are in months. So, we can cancel it. So, we have cancelled also. 3 2s are 6. 8 2s are 16. How much? 3:8 is the answer for this question. 3:8. I hope it is clear, students. Once again, in months and years, the things have been given. So I have converted the year into months by multiplying by 12. And then I have cancelled, simplified. We got the simplified value 3:8. Any problem, students? 3 to the 6 and 8 to the 16. I hope it is clear. Now we'll focus few more questions.
Start.
Now, students, I have taken the 9th part of the first question only, where we have 3 different ratios together. Different question. Then afterwards, we'll go for the word problems. So, in this question, you can see 1, 1 by 3, 2, 1 by 4, 2, 1 by 2 is there. Different numbers are in given ratio. So, first of all, we'll convert into normal, proper fractions. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, how much? 4 by 3. It's in mixed fraction, no? So we have to convert that. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Once again, we will check. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. And 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. First class, no problem. Now question comes how to be simplified. How to simplify this one? We have to take the LCM, students. LCM of 3, 4 and 2. What is the LCM? 12, of course. No problem. If you don't know to take LCM, then I am showing you. 3 ones are 3, 4, 2, 2, 2s are 2 ones are 2, 1s are 1s are 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. How much came? 12 came. So this 12, this LCM we have to multiply along with each number what is given in ratio. Let's do that. 4 by 3 into 12 is 2. 9 by 4 into 12 is 2. 5 by 2 into 12. Cancelled. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 2 6s are 12. Okay, students. What we can write? 16. 4 4s are 16 divided by 9 3s are 27. And is 2 5 6 are 30. So this is the exact ratio or simplified ratio for this particular question. I hope the solution is clear, students. Problem will be there, then you are free to ask through WhatsApp and comment box. Okay, now students, we are going to focus few of the word problem of this exercise.
Start.
Now students, I have taken question number 6 of the exercise 6A. Word problem. I felt that this question may create problem for you people. So I have taken this question. Sum of the 3 numbers whose ratios are given. 3 1 by 3, 4 1 by 5 and 6 1 by 8. And the sum is what? 4 9 1 7. And we have to get the numbers. Interesting question. So first of all, the ratio has to be converted. Right? How much? 3 1 by 3, 4 1 by 5, 6 1 by 8. Okay. 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 3 divided. 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 5 is 2. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 1, 49 by 8. Right? First class, no problem. Okay. Now LCM will be taken of 3, 5 and 8. 3, 5 and 8. This I am telling you because if you get confused, then you can take this particular method, prime factorization. All are different numbers, so don't need to divide it. 3 5 is a 15, 15 8 is a 120. So we have to multiply with 120. 10, 3 into 120 is 2 into 120 is to 49 by 8 into 120. Right, students? Cancel it. 3 4s are 5 2s are 5 4s are 8 1s are and 8 5s are. Correct? So we have got the ratio how much? This ratio what we have got? We have got the ratio 10 into 40 400 is to 21 24s are 24 1s are 24 24 2s are 48 48 plus 2 504. Correct? And last 15 9s are 135 in hand 13 15 4s are 60 60 plus 13 73. Okay, students, so this is the simplified ratio I have got, and now I will solve further to get the exact numbers. So now, students, I will solve further after that step. As you have got the ratio, simplified ratio 400 is to 504 is to 735. So when ratios are there, we have to consider in terms of variables also. So now the numbers, let the numbers are, we can write 400x, 504x and 735x. Three numbers we have considered. Sum is given according to question. According to question, 400x plus 504x plus 735x. This is not needed, so I am erasing this one. Is equal to what, student? Is equal to 4917. This is the sum given. I hope it is clear, students. Now we'll add it up together. 400 plus 500, 904. 904 plus 35, 939. Let's add it up so that no confusion will be there. 5409. Then 3003. Correct? Then 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 4, how much? 16. 1639x is equals to 4917. Am I clear, students? Fine. So x is equals to how much? 4917 divided by 1639. You'll cancel it. You will get 3. So the numbers will be, therefore 400x is equals to how much? 400 into 3. That will be 1200. You can match the answer. 504 into x. 504 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 1 is there. 4 3 5s are 15. 15 12. And last but not the least, 735x. So 735 into 3. 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. In hand 1. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1 22. You add it up, you will get the same number. 5 plus 2 7. 1. 5 to 7 plus 2 9. And 2 1 3 1 4 4917. So justified also. In this way the question has been solved. I hope there is no problem to understand. If you have problem, you can ask. I'll do one more question from this exercise, and I expect that you will try to solve the exercise. So now, students, I have taken another question of this exercise 6a word problem, where it is written that we have to divide the given money 3150 in the ratio. We have to divide the given money 3150 in the ratio of their ages. Age is given 6 years 8 months. So I have written 8 by 12 so that it will be in year only. And 7 years 4 months. So 4 months 4 by 12 I have done so that it will be in years. So this is the ratio, and we have to divide this money in this ratio only of their ages. Let's do it. Ratio is given what? Solution. 6 8 by 12 is to 7 4 by 12. Right, students? Let's cancel it out. 4 2s are 4 3s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. So 3 6 are 18 plus 2, 20 by 3 divided by 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22 by 3. Any problem, students? I hope not. It is clear. Now, let the ages are, we can consider 20 by 3x and 22 by 3x. Right, students? Ages we have considered 20 by 3x and 22 by 3x. Any problem? Now we will find the sum according to the given question. Let's see that. So now, students, the ratio has to be added so that the distribution what was done 3150, it can be equated properly. So we have done 20x by 3 and 22 by 3 into x, and this is equal to what? 3150 according to the question. So let's do this. Same denominator is there, so this will be added. So it will be 42x 3150. Correct? So x is equals to 3150. This 3 will move this side. So into 3 divided by 42. 3 14s are 14. 2s are again 14. 2s are 14. 5s are how much? 225. This is the value of x we have got. Correct? No? So therefore, the parts distributed, parts are, what parts we have taken? One is 20 by 3x. That will be 20 by 3 into 225. Right, students? Just cancel it out. 3 7s are, 3 5s are. So how much? 75 is there. 75 2s are 150, right? 150 means 1500 is the part for this one. And only two persons are there. So obviously if one is 51 and 1500, second will be minus than that. So second one is 22 by 3x is equals to 22 by 3 into 225. Right, students? Again the same cancellation will be there. 75 2s are 150 in hand 15. 75 2s are 150 again and 15. So 1650 rupees. So this is the way I have solved the question, and I hope it is clear to you, students. Okay? And on the same base, I'll request you to complete the exercise 6A so that we can go for the second exercise and we'll complete this chapter. Okay, students, have a good day and take care of yourself.